Hey guys, Mobius here. I wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to install Java's runtime environment and the JDK on Ubuntu, even though you can do that by downloading the files on Oracle's website and installing them manually. I've found a much simpler solution that I personally enjoy, and it keeps it pretty organized and up to date, so let's jump right into it. First, obviously, we're going to log into our installation. I'm going to open up the terminal. This whole process can actually be done through the terminal, and what we're going to do first is we're going to type this in. D18. It should be on the description, so you can just copy and paste it. Once we enter that, obviously we put in our password. That's going to add the repository, that web update team's repository that actually has the necessary files that we're going to need to actually install both the Java Runtime Environment and JDK. So what we're going to do here is we're going to press enter. Now, typically when you add a new repository, you also do this update to get what the current files in the repository are, so that we get the most up-to-date information. So after that, we're going to first install the Oracle. Let's see what Java versions are available. I want to install Java 9 as that's the most recent one, so let's do that instead. Let's put installer. So there we go. So it's gonna install all the necessary packages that in order for the runtime environment to be placed, and let's go for it. Alrighty then. Oh, let's just see here. Alright, just a bunch of extra things. Do you accept the license terms? Yes, we do. So now everything's being installed, downloaded. Alrighty then. It's a pretty straightforward process. This even sets the path for you, the path variable. So just much like when you install it in Windows, so that you don't have to bother messing with the path as you would when you install the JDK on Windows or on Linux for that matter. So let's just give it a few moments here so that it can finish off downloading. Once it downloads, alright, almost done. Oh. Okay, and we are done. Alright. It downloaded the JDK as well. So in order to test it, let's see if it downloaded. So, oopsie daisy. Let's try this first. Alright, wrong command. So as you can tell right here, the Java version that was installed is 9. Everything seems to be running perfectly. Let's see if Java, the JDK, excuse me, was installed as well. There we go. Yes, it indeed was. So that's how you install both the Java Runtime Environment and the JDK using that repository. I highly recommend using it. It keeps everything, again, organized and pretty simple. And once you do that, you can program in Java to your heart's content and run any Java program. Thank you for watching this tutorial.